Now we are going to discuss another sex-linked genetic disorder, that is color blindness. Now in this case, it is also an example of crisscross inheritance. This disorder is there when the person is not able to distinguish between different colors. So we'll just look after a cross in this. In case of this cross, we have a normal female. Now this female is normal because it does not carry the gene for color blindness. In order to be a female which is actually color blind, we need a combination that is this one, right? We need a combination that is this. Why so? Because if only one allele is there which carries this gene, the other alternate one is going to check its expression. Why? Because this is the recessive one and the other one is going to be the dominant one. So dominant is not going to let this recessive one to express itself. So for a female to be color blind, we need this combination. For a male to be color blind, just this one. So the females are actually the carriers. Females are actually the carriers. So let's see. We have a normal female and a color blind male, right? The male is color blind because in case of male we have an X chromosome and a Y chromosome, and this situation means the male is color blind. So what is the genetic genotype of the F1 generation? We have carrier daughters. Now why they are carrier daughters? Because only one allele is there which is carrying this gene for color blindness, and these are the normal sons, right? So these are the normal sons, but in the F2 generation what is going to happen? We have this gametes, right? Let's see, we have prepared a checkerboard. So we have combination XX, right? It means it is going to be a normal daughter, right? It is going to be a normal daughter. And here we have XY, it's going to be a normal son. But here we have a combination that is this one. It is going to be a color blind daughter. A color blind daughter. And here we have a combination as XCY. It's a color blind son, right? So I hope that this is clear to you. We have a cross between a normal female and a color blind male. These are the gametes. Here we have 2X, right? And here we have XC which is going to carry the gene for color blindness, and here we have a Y1. So the combination obtained are, we have this, means we have two carrier daughters and we have two normal sons. And the gametes from this for F2 generation is, we have this, right? X and this gene carrying the color blindness gene, right? We have X and Y. So when we actually cross them, we have a checkerboard. Then we have one normal daughter and one normal son, but we also have a color blind daughter and a color blind son. This is an example of crisscross inheritance. It's a sex-linked genetic disorder in case of humans, right? So remember this, and this cross is very simple, just need to memorize. It's an example of crisscross inheritance in humans.